last ice age. Powerful glaciers, almost 2 kilometers thick, moved through this region, helping to create the formations that are now islands. When the glaciers retreated, water filled the area and the islands more.
Les Méliès comptent en réalité 1865 îles.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Thousand Islander 2. We are on our way to Bolt Castle and should be arriving there in just under an hour's time. And when we do, we will have to check in with U.S. Customs and Border Protection. They will want to see your valid passport and any travel documents that you may have if you have an international passport.
Is Wellesley, the largest American island in the region. Today, the cruise completely around Wellesley Island. The St.